Welcome to the efficient solution for managing extensions in bulk. Creating extensions one by one can become tedious when dealing with tens or hundreds of users, or when migrating configurations between HAPBX servers. This is why we rely on the powerful import and export extensions modules. To initiate the bulk import process, navigate to PBX, select Extensions, and then click on Import Extensions. This module is designed specifically to handle mass creation and movement of configuration data. This feature requires a CSV file containing your desired configurations. You can download the required import format instantly by clicking the button located in the lower right-hand corner. Open the downloaded file using a number processor like Excel, OpenOffice, or Numbers. The file contains all configuration columns seen when creating an extension manually. The very first row includes descriptive text explaining each required field. It's crucial to correctly utilize the first column to define the operation you intend. Here, you must specify if you want to add or delete the extension number or device. This feature allows you to add or remove extensions in mass. You have flexibility here. You can add multiple extensions without a device by leaving the technology and device user fields blank. Likewise, you can create hot desking devices by not specifying the extension number and ext name. You can also add multiple devices to a single extension using the add device operation and repeating the extension number. In that specific case, there is no need to specify the ext name field. Remember, you can leave most non-essential fields blank. The system will simply apply default values. However, if the device password or features password fields are left blank, they will be randomly generated for security. Return to the Import Extensions module. Click the blank field next to CSV file to select the file you just prepared. Then, click the green Import Extension button in the lower right-hand corner. You will be presented with an import log showing the results. If any error occurs, you will see it detailed in the log, allowing you to quickly correct the CSV file and re-import it. Remember that using add or add device for existing records will modify the current configurations. Always apply changes after you import the extensions to finalize the updates.